everybody, Dr. Todd Rodman with Sports Chiropractic. Today we're going to talk about plantar fasciitis. And it's a very common thing talked about on Facebook, on the internet. And you can see right here is the plantar fascia. And what I want to kind of show people is there's a lot more in the foot than just that plantar fascia. So right here, this is the most superficial layer of tissue in the foot. But if we remove that and we kind of look deeper, we see there's a lot of muscles in there. So right here we've got the flexor digitorum, we've got the abductor hallucis, we've got abductor digiti minimi, a lot of muscles that most people have never heard of, quadratus plantae, and then we're getting into flexor hallucis brevis, getting into the lumbricals, and you can see that there's a lot more adductor hallucis, another adductor hallucis. But just trying to show you, now all those muscles are removed from the foot, that there's a lot more layers to it than just that plantar fascia. So what happens is a lot of times people will talk about it on the internet and they'll say, if you have plantar fasciitis, this is how you should treat it. And what we do here at Sports Chiropractic, we can tell you if it's truly plantar fasciitis or if it's a muscle issue underneath the plantar fascia, which is a totally different treatment. Because with fasciitis, if it truly is that, it's inflamed. And a lot of people will tell you to take a lacrosse ball or a golf ball or a baseball and get in there and dig it out. But the problem is it will make it worse. So that might be a different story. If it is a muscle underneath the plantar fascia that's just tight, that could actually help it. So one thing that we do here at Sports Chiropractic is really identify the exact muscle, give you the exact diagnosis, and let you know what it is, instead of saying just plantar fasciitis as a broad term for anything wrong on the bottom of the foot. Hope that explains a little bit about plantar fasciitis and foot problems today and how we can help you at Sports Chiropractic.